Which ocean is located to the east of Asia? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. What is lava called while it's still beneath the Earth's surface? Slag, magma, obsidian, core. The correct answer is magma. Which ocean covers approximately 30% of Earth's surface? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. What is a pen made from a feather called? Stylus, quill, fountain pen, calligraphy pen. The correct answer is quill. Which of these poker hands ranks the highest? Full house, straight, royal flush, two pair. The correct answer is royal flush. What is the term for a feeling that the current moment has already been experienced before? Nostalgia, déjà vu, euphoria, flashback. The correct answer is déjà vu. Which ancient civilization invented cuneiform, the first known written language? Egyptians, Romans, Sumerians, Greeks. The correct answer is Sumerians. Who composed the famous ballet The Nutcracker? Ludwig van Beethoven, Franz Schubert, Piotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky, Johann Sebastian Bach. The correct answer is Piotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky. What type of weather phenomenon is measured using the Fujita scale? Hurricanes, earthquakes, tornadoes, tsunamis. The correct answer is tornadoes. A government ruled by religious leaders is known as what? Democracy, theocracy, monarchy, oligarchy. The correct answer is theocracy. Which branch of mathematics was independently developed by both Newton and Leibniz? Algebra, geometry, calculus, trigonometry. The correct answer is calculus. What is the academic study of signs and symbols called? Symbology, semantics, semiotics, syntax. The correct answer is semiotics. Gregor Mendel is known as the father of which scientific field? Chemistry, genetics, physics, evolutionary biology. The correct answer is genetics. Throwing is a common technique used in which artistic medium? Pottery, painting, sculpture, metalwork. The correct answer is pottery. Mistletoe plants usually produce berries of what color? Red, white, blue, purple. The correct answer is white.